Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today guys I'm gonna be showing you how I actually flipped this Ashake and Wizkid song titled Turbulence. For me it was an eye-opener, and I'm gonna show you one or two things from this and how you could also use your own vocals in these songs when you flip them.
I be like with my family, but I did not see that they can't believe me. Got yourself low, I be minding my business and you say none, yeah.
Yeah, so you can see how sweet this is. You know, this is just my own version. When I heard this song, this is just like the whole idea in my head to just create something, you know, groovy, something sweet. And I told you guys in the last video that in order to make your beats really sell, you need to make some nice melodious beat, and you know, that's why you have this amazing beats. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to get the vocals. Like if you can see, I've converted the vocal from the original so I don't get the copyright strike. And that's something you can do. You can either decide to use the original vocals, but using that you might get copyright strike, but you can actually just switch the vocals, and I'm going to show you how you can actually switch the vocal to even your own vocal. You can decide to sing it, or you know, if you don't want to sing, you can just train an AI that is always gonna sing like you. And so that's the first thing I did. If you hear, this is sounding like Egarboi's vocal.
But I did not see that they can't believe me. Got yourself low, I be minding my business, I know say none.
Yeah, I thought it sounded like Egarboi. It's what I did. I'm just gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna drop a link in case you want to try it out yourself. So let me just bring the return speed down a little bit. So I use this platform controller.xyz, so you can actually just create a version of your own voice, and all you just have to do is come over here and create voice. So you could upload a clean vocal, or you could actually just even record your own vocal. So, but for me, that can't sing, you know, I didn't just record. I actually just train an AI. I just used Egarboi vocals, and they have the things you need when you want to upload the vocals, just to keep it. So you can see I've converted the vocals. I have two vocalists here. I have Egarboi's vocal and I have my guy Guanti's vocals. So you know, you can just do that, and once that is done, you could just carry the original vocal, which is this. I don't want to play it, which is the original vocal from the song, but I don't play it because of copyright. And you know, just drag it into controller XYZ, and it's gonna give you a version with yourself. All right. Then the next thing, you know, after having the vocal, funny enough, I didn't stretch the vocal. I actually made the beat on the same tempo as the original song, right? So I started with the chord progression.
I be like with my family, but I did not see that they can't believe me. Got yourself low, I be minding my business, I know say none, yeah.
Yeah, and I'm using what's it called, SKY keys, using this preset Enter Mirror, very nice presets. And I didn't do anything. I didn't make, most times I would have decided to like take out the low, but yeah, for this I didn't do anything to have the chord progression. So let's play with the vocals.
I be like with my family, but I did not see that they can't believe me. Got yourself low, I be minding my business.
Yeah, but then the next thing is the drums. So the drums, I just wanted to go, it's, you know, a very normal, simple Afro beat groove, which is just this that I layered with the rim shot, and this is what the rim shot is playing. And by now you should have all these rim shots, because you know I dropped it in my exclusive one shot pack that I dropped. So yeah, you have this as a rim shot. Then I have these hats just to start us, where whenever the key comes in, it comes with that hat. Then with our kick, yeah, so this kick. So no much kick, just here and there, but it's actually doing the work. Then I just layered with hi-hats. So yeah. So we have two hats. We have an open hat and also a closed hat. Then we have this conga. Yep, and by then we already have a very nice groove. I was feeling the drum groove already, doing the work it's supposed to do. Then the next thing I did was just to add this percussion groove. Yeah, it was a vibe. So with our kick, with our all the percussions. So the chord progression, we have this. Yeah, but you know, I told you in the last video, you need to make your beat. You need to always find ways to make your beat really interesting. And some elements that will make your beat interesting is like having a guitar melody on your beat. So that's why in this case, I have this guitar melody, which is playing. So you can see how the guitar just beautifies, make it really, really nice. And I added some vocals, so I have this vocal. More like a pad, just playing a vocal pad. And don't forget, you need to have some nice trumpet, some nice saxophone. It just gives you that vibes. Having a saxophone, having a trumpet, just gives you that vibe that you want to listen to it. You just want to keep hearing it play. So yeah, that's why I have this sax. I added the sax. You can get nice sax like this on Splice. Splice, you know, has tons of samples. So yeah, then I just play some nice keys. You have this. Because it was like a remix already to feel live, to have that live feel. That's why I had those stuffs playing there. Then for the bass, I just used a very simple bass. I'm just using the clipped sine bass from Omisfair, and I just played, you know, just single notes. And these are just backup vocals I added. Yeah, so I can just show you that. And I told you about cutting your beats to just make it interesting. And that's what I've done here. So just pause everything, cut this part. Yeah, then the other final thing are just this electric piano. Alright guys, so let me know what you think about this, and if you want me to flip another song and do a tutorial about it, just drop it in the comment section. I'm sure I'm gonna be on the lookout and try to just do something, because I feel like this is just gonna keep me really creative. If you got something from this video, you learn one or two, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. And if you want to join the Patreon, the link to join the Patreon is gonna be in the description, and the link to also check out Controller XYZ is gonna be in the description. You definitely want to go check it out, man. Peace.